Hello guys, I'm Steven Raj de Eduardo. Today is Never Friday. My guy Hans. Today is my brother and this my Sudo. And this is the washing machine. On this stand today wood stand, what stand? You can't find to win. Okay, wait and fought it. Fat stone and war. What's this? What's this is wow bay met Darwin and this stroller and this chair and this is the table. And okay, today is what's okay, we'll to do it then to Sexy inclusion and then mind with me by Sexy and running outside. Okay, thanks for watching.